We are all part of God's creation, and God is with you no matter where you are, even in prison. Kairos Prison Ministry has ministered to inmates for over 30 years, and Kairos Torch reaches out to youth inmates under age 24 who live in juvenile detention or correctional facilities. Volunteers spend a weekend introducing these inmates to the teachings of Jesus. They give them guidance and tools to make better choices in life. This weekend is followed by a 6-month mentoring program that encourages participants to remove their masks and develop a mature means of living life, thus building their self-esteem. They're taught to see themselves as God sees them. Kairos Torch is there to give hope of a life that's free from gangs and crime, and you can be part of creating that hope in them. Your donation helps get these youths back on track to become productive members of society. So give today. Help Kairos Torch continue to restore lives, one youth at a time. Join us. It's working.